not asked for any alimony. अगर मैं बता दूं कि वो लड़की कौन है, he is not even bothered about the respect of that girl.
Nisha, right after Karan's press conference, आपसे बात करने की मीडिया ने कोशिश की थी. So you knew everything. आपने ऑब्वियसली प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस देखा होगा, आपको पता होगा आपके ऊपर क्या क्या एलिगेशंस लगाए. जब नेक्स्ट डे मीडिया ने आपसे बात करने की कोशिश की, यू इग्नोर्ड इट.
Correct.
What was the reason for ignoring? Because आप at that moment ही अपने आप को
Because I don't want to be नहीं एक मिनट, मैं अपने आप को प्रूव नहीं कर रही हूँ. Like I said, I am here for those people who care to know my story. And प्रूव क्या करूँगी? यहाँ पर कोई जस्टिस थोड़ी मिल रहा है हमको, वो तो हमको लीगल सिस्टम में ही मिलेगा ना. करेक्ट. क्या मीडिया ट्रायल इज गोइंग टू मेक अस कम टू अ जुडिशियल कंक्लूजन? नहीं ना. So I don't want to encourage this trial, but unfortunately I have to get into the puddle to explain my side of the story. I didn't want to be a part of this. And it is not like Karan जब मेरे ऊपर एक allegation लगाएगा मैं अगले दिन उसको बोल दूँगी हाँ ये है हाँ ये नहीं. I have work to do. I have to go to my shoot. It takes long hours. I work day and night. Right? मुझे अपनी energies एक तरफ डालने को अगर कोई allow करे, then I will do it. Right? Now he's saying he doesn't have work, so maybe that's why he's making those videos. But I have work. I have to raise a child. Okay, so that was the car. We've shown all the documents pertaining to the car. Now I'm going to address the issue of money. Karan कहते हैं कि मुद्दा सारा पैसे का है. Want to show that video?
इसलिए मुद्दा सारा पैसे का है और उसी वजह से पहले दिन से उसने जो किया वो किया. उसके बाद मेरी फैमिली को रोपिन किया गया सेकंड एफआईआर में जो कि 25 जून को फाइल की गई, जहां पर मेरे पेरेंट्स को
377 चालू. तो जब पैसे मांगे ही नहीं तो मुद्दा पैसे का कैसे हो सकता है? When I met Karan in the year 2008, he was the assistant stylist and I was the lead of the film opposite Jimmy. Right? That's where we met. मुद्दा कभी पैसे का था ही नहीं. It's not like I walked into royalty or something when I met him, right? जो भी बिल्ड किया हम दोनों ने साथ में मिलकर बिल्ड किया, चाहे वो घर था चाहे वो गाड़ियाँ थी. उनका जो शो जिसकी वजह से उन्हें इतनी पॉपुलैरिटी मिली वो हम मुझसे मिलने के 2 साल बाद उनका शुरू हुआ. सो हाउ कैन द मुद्दा बी अबाउट द मनी? आई हैव नॉट आस्क्ड फॉर एलिमनी बट Karan says I have asked for alimony. So he needs to show it कि कहाँ पर लिखा है कि मैंने एलिमनी मांगी है. जब मैंने नहीं मांगी तो obviously I can't show it. Yes, we have asked for compensation or whatever the right term is, maintenance for the child. But in the counseling sessions, on record, I have said this. Even if he doesn't want to pay that, I am okay with it. It's my privilege to raise my child. But I want this whole thing to end. ये मैंने on record कहा है. Right? I will not spoil my own case by just coming here and lying or creating inauthentic evidences or whatever, right? You want to show that maintenance? So the point is, वहाँ पे लिखा है towards the maintenance and education of the minor child. I have not asked for any alimony. In fact, in the new petition, in the new counter petition at the family court, Karan Mehra has asked for full custody. And he wants me to pay him alimony and the child's maintenance. This is what is written on his paper. That the interim maintenance be granted to the petitioner, who is Karan Mehra, and the child. I'm sure ये सब उन्होंने अपने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में नहीं बोला होगा. जो वो बोल रहे थे 1400 पेज का petition मैंने फाइल किया है, वो यही है 1400 पेज का petition, क्योंकि उसकी कॉपी मुझे तो मिलती है. Now, addressing the issue of the affair. Once me and Karan have broken up, what I do in my personal life is none of his business, and what he does in his personal life is none of my business. We are adults and we know how to conduct ourselves. We are not answerable to each other for it. Now he's walked away from my life and I've walked away from his life. बार बार वो कहते हैं कि कौन है वो लड़की जिसके साथ मेरा अफेयर है, मुझे बताओ वो लड़की कौन है. आई एम सो सरप्राइज्ड दैट अगर मैं बता दूं कि वो लड़की कौन है, He's not even bothered about the respect of that girl. I know as a woman what it feels like when fingers are pointed, when trolls happen. I don't want that to happen to any other girl. And so I'm not going to take her name. But उसका नाम, उसका एड्रेस, उसके वैलेंटाइंस डे गिफ्ट्स, उसकी फ्लाइट टिकट्स, ये सारी अटैचमेंट्स कोर्ट में जा चुकी हैं. Like I said, there is only limited stuff that I can share here. Now addressing the issue of the kid.
निशा, one question.
हाँ, please.
जब करण ने आपकी रिलेशनशिप के बारे में ओपनली कहा और आपको जब ये सब चीज़ें पता चली, so what was your reaction from your end? उन्होंने कहा कि जिसके साथ ये अफेयर वो पहले से है, तो आप उनका गर्लफ्रेंड का नाम लेने से क्यों हिचकिचा रही है?
क्योंकि मैं करण नहीं हूँ. Because I am not Karan and I am not here to compare. I will do what I have to do. यहाँ पे मैंने कहा मैं किसी को अटैक करने के लिए नहीं आई हूँ, अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए आई हूँ. That means everything that he has said against me, that is the part that I am producing a counter for. And he must have said 100 things. I don't have to counter everything. But the things that are important, जो message बाहर जाना चाहिए, those are the only points I am addressing. Only because he is saying it, I am not going to do it.
And also, you said कि what I am doing is none of his business and what he is doing is none. Till the time आप लोगों का divorce नहीं होता है, it's still,
Yes, on paper, but अगर divorce 5 साल बाद होगा, you want me to just stay on there?
So that's
As a woman, I'm asking you. You want me to just hang in there?
No, but that is what Karan also said.
So you think about it. Is it even logical what he's saying? Once he makes an exit from my life, he's made an exit, right? What I do is my business. I'm not answerable to him. And उसका relation क्या है इस केस से, मुझे आप ये बताइए. आपने क्या किया? आपने इतने मड स्लिंगिंग की क्योंकि आपको पता है कि you're a public figure, she is a public figure, so it's very easy कि वही headlines बन जाए, कि पूरे केस से पूरी चीज़ हट के उस पॉइंट पर आ जाए. और वही हुआ. Obviously, because it's a hot topic, people want to know what's happening.
But Nisha, do you agree with all the allegations जो उन्होंने आपकी dating पर और ये सारी चीज़ों पर बयान दिए? Do you agree to whatever?
I'm not answerable. I don't feel the need that मेरी personal life, I will share a part of my life that I wish to share. Right? All of us have our personal life. We are not answerable to each other. मुझे लगता है कि जो allegation मुझ पे लगाए हैं, जो serious allegations हैं, जो message पहुंचना चाहिए, those are the only allegations I'm going to talk about. And I have in a very subtle way given my message out. We are adults, and what I do after he's left or what he does after I've left is none of each other's business.